Another fall recipe, caramel apple cake. Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm doing another fall recipe, and it's caramel apple cake. It's a Paula Deen recipe, and my family loves it, and I always make it around this time of the year. So if you like recipes and content like this, please hit that subscribe button. If you hadn't, give me a thumbs up, comment, ring that bell so you can be notified when my videos are uploaded. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And now I'm going to cream together sugar, and that's 2.5 cups of sugar. Eggs, that's 3 eggs. And 1.5 cups of vegetable oil. And we'll cream that up. And this is a very easy recipe. There we go, get her going. I'm going to cream that up real good, and then I'll add my 3 cups of plain flour and just mix it until it's blended. And with the oil, this cake is very moist. And then you add your apples to it also. Alright, that's looking good. Now I'm just going to add my flour. And I just want to mix it till it's blended. Give the bowl a good scrape down. And now I want to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And it calls for a cup of nuts. I did cut it down to 1/2 cup. You can make it without nuts if you don't like it. I love nuts, but my oldest son's not crazy about them, so I cut it in half. And 2.5 cups of diced apples. And we just want to mix that. Now we pour this into a sprayed 9x13 pan. And I just sprayed it with Baker's Joy. Got my cast off. My arm still doesn't want to turn the way I want it to as well, but it's getting better every day. Now I can hold it. Alright, and we will bake this in that preheated 350 degree oven. It says 45 minutes to 60 minutes, but I'll check it after 30. And I will see you then. Alright, I just got it out of the oven, and it did only take 30 minutes. And now I'm going to poke holes all in the cake. So when I make my icing, I will still pour it on while the cake is warm, and it will sink down into the cake. And that is delicious. Alright, I've got 3 sticks of butter. 2 cups of brown sugar and 1/4 a cup of whole milk. And I need to bring this to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, then I let it boil for 2 minutes, and then I pour it over the warm cake. Alright, it's going to soon start coming to a boil. I'm going to cut it down just a tad. You don't want it to scorch. Alright, now I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes. Alright, remove it from the heat. And now I'll just pour it over this cake. Let it seep down in those cracks. And we'll just let it cool. And I will see you then. Well, here it is in all of its moist, sweet glory. It was really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you hadn't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload all my videos. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. And until next time, bye y'all.